Zone. Hey, check this out, man. This body is 25 years old. Believe it or not, I've had this body 25 years. F-150. 1/10 scale. And I made it look rough, man. I did all of this to it. Made it look like it's in the backwoods and, one of them shop trucks. The lights work on it, headlights work. I went to run it, and this is a Ruckus chassis. Newer ESC servo. Tires I've been had about 15 years. Rims probably about 9 years. Old school, old truck I put together. It was sitting on the shelf. I went to run it and it wouldn't come on. And it had an old transmitter, and of course an old receiver with crystals. So I just snatched it all out. So what I need to do is order a whole new transmitter and receiver system and put it back together. But I figure I'd bring this to you, show you what I'm working on, vintage stuff I'm working on. It's just propped up, sitting up there. My F-150, and what I'm gonna do, you've seen in my other videos of a couple of trucks, I got the fog lights going across the top. I'm gonna put some fog lights across the top with the working headlights. I think that'll be really, really nice. All right, y'all. That's it. Peace.